What's up everyone, this is Brian of Yugatech, and for today's video, we will have Kenneth Game. We're testing the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, where we focus on real-world gaming performance, how smooth the games run, how warm the phone gets, and whether experience actually holds up during longer sessions. Before we jump straight into the games, we'll quickly flash the specs and benchmark scores on the screen so you can get an idea of what this phone is working with and set your expectations. Let's start with Mobile Legends. This is one of the most optimized games out there, and the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus handles it very well. During our testing, the game ran at a smooth 90 frames per second, even during heavy teamfights and late game moments. Gameplay stayed fluid and responsive. The phone warmed up to about 36 degrees Celsius, which is noticeable but still comfortable. If Mobile Legends is your main game, this phone won't hold you back at all. Next is Asphalt Legends Unite. This game is fast, visually demanding, and a good test for sustained performance. The Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus maintained a stable 60 frames per second throughout races. No sudden drops, no stutters, and the visual stayed smooth even at high speeds. Surface temperature reached around 34 degrees Celsius, which is actually pretty good for a racing game like this. Overall, Asphalt runs clean and consistently on this device. Now let's talk about Genshin Impact, which is usually the hardest game to run in this lineup. Here, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus average around 42 frames per second. Exploration feels mostly smooth, but you will notice frame drops during combat-heavy scenes or in busier areas. This is also where the phone got the warmest, reaching about 38 degrees Celsius. It's still playable, but this clearly isn't flagship-level performance. If you play Genshin a lot, lowering settings would definitely improve the experience. Moving on to Call of Duty Mobile, and this is where the phone shines again. COD Mobile ran at steady 60 frames per second during our test. Multiplayer matches felt smooth, aiming was responsive, and there were no performance hiccups even during longer sessions. Surface temperature stayed around 35 degrees Celsius, which is well within reason. For FPS fans, this is a solid experience. Now, how does the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus do when it comes to overall gaming? For competitive and esports style games, performance is excellent. Asphalt Legends also runs smoothly with good thermal control. Genshin Impact is playable but clearly pushes the limits, especially if you want higher settings and longer sessions. The upside is that the phone stays relatively stable and doesn't aggressively overheat. So, Kenneth Game, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus looks like a strong option. Showing the price makes sense when it officially launches here. For heavier games, just manage your expectations. And that's it. What phone would you like us to do a game review next? Again, this is Brian and this is Yugatech.